Namaskar. I am Dr. Saxena. I will be giving lectures on forensic medicine. Now, forensic medicine, in which what we do, we apply our medical and paramedical knowledge to help the law or to aid in administration of law. Second is the jurisprudence. Jurisprudence means law, juris means law, prudence means knowledge. So, this deals with the legal matters. Now, forensic toxicology deals with the toxic substance or the poisons, their dose, their fatal dose, their effect on the body, how we just calculate their dose, and what are the prevention or the treatment of the poison. So, this is forensic toxicology. Now, we come to the other topic. Just it was for just introduction. Now, the other topic or the lecture which I am going to tell you is the very important from examination point of view as well as from the viva point of view. That is called inquest. Inquest is an inquiry into cause of death. What happens? Suppose on some choraya or road, some body is found. Then what happens? The local people, they approach the nearby police station and they contact the sub-inspector of that area. That sub-inspector is also called investigating officer. That person, he informs the magistrate and he goes to the site and sees the situation there. He collects two or more respectable person of that area, which are called panchas. Along with that, he makes a report just like that on what part of the body the injury is there, or probably what instrument has been used to give the injury to the person, or some other thing if it is visible there. Then he makes a preliminary report that is called Panchnama. This Panchnama report is copy of it is sent to the magistrate. This is called the police inquest. It is done in cases of suppose murder is there, accident death is there, suicidal death is there, or some person suppose is there and he is working in machinery or some factory and he dies. So all in all these cases it is done. Whenever there is suspicious of death, also it is done. Now suppose some unidentified body or skeleton is found, in that also case the police inquest is done. Now the second comes a magistrate inquest. So what I told you, first is inquest, then first is the police inquest, second is the magistrate inquest. Magistrate inquest is also very important. It is done by the magistrate or can be done by the commissioner, or it can be done by the SDM, or it can be in cases can be done by the tehsildar also. Now it is done in the cases where there is death in the police firing, or police custodial death, or death in a prison, or suppose some person is there, rape cases, it is done. And it is also done in the cases of dowry death, which is very important. In case of dowry death, magistrate inquest is done. Now, I have already told you about the magistrate inquest, that it is done by the magistrate or by commission in the police firing death, custodial death, death in police custody, death in prison or hostel, or death in psychiatry hospital, dowry death, and main is exhumation. You know what is exhumation? Exhumation is digging of the body from the grave. Now, suppose relatives come, something mishappens that is suspicious in our relative death, then body is exhumed from the grave, and then in case the magistrate inquest is done. In cases of rape, I will already tell, and any suspicious circumstances, if it is there, magistrate inquest is done. Please subscribe it for update.